differences between the Japanese tea ceremony and Western tea culture. The Japanese tea ceremony, or sado, is more than just drinking tea. It is a traditional practice that values aesthetics, spirituality, and mindfulness. The origins of the tea ceremony date back to the Kamakura period, 12th century, when powdered green tea, matcha, was introduced from China. However, in the Muromachi period, 16th century, Sen no Rikyu, a famous tea master, formalized the tea ceremony and established its principles. One of the most important philosophies in the tea ceremony is wa keisei jaku. Wa meaning harmony among people. Kei meaning respect for others. Sei meaning purity of heart and surroundings. Jaku meaning tranquility and simplicity. The tea ceremony is not only about making and drinking tea, but also about appreciating the moment, respecting others, and finding peace in simplicity. The process begins with the host welcoming guests into the tea room. The host carefully boils water, prepares utensils, serves a small meal, kaiseki, and makes thick tea, koicha, followed by thin tea, usucha. Every action, including how guests receive the tea, turn the bowl, and take a sip, reflects thoughtfulness and etiquette. Silence is often valued to enhance the experience. The tea room is also designed with care. Seasonal decorations such as hanging scrolls, kakemono, and flowers, chabana, are used to create an atmosphere that allows guests to appreciate the present moment. This attention to detail represents Japanese aesthetics and the deep spirituality of the tea ceremony. In contrast, Western cultures also have traditions of drinking tea, but the purpose and style are quite different. For example, British afternoon tea, which started in the 18th century, became a social event where people enjoyed black tea with sandwiches, scones, and pastries. The main purpose was to gather, relax, and engage in conversation. While the Japanese tea ceremony emphasizes silence, mindfulness, and spiritual connection, Western tea culture is more about socializing and enjoying a luxurious break. In sado, every movement and gesture has symbolic meaning, whereas in Western tea traditions, people can freely talk and interact while enjoying their tea. Additionally, seasonal elements and simplicity are key aspects of the Japanese tea ceremony. The tea room and utensils are chosen to reflect nature and the time of year. In contrast, Western afternoon tea often features elegantly decorated tables, fancy tea sets, and a wide variety of sweet and savory foods. Despite these differences, both cultures share one important value. Tea is a way to bring people together and create meaningful connections. Even in today's fast-paced world, the tea ceremony remains a reminder of Ichigo Ichie, the idea that every moment is unique and should be cherished.